Thank you. Thank you for making business. Shoutout po kay Madam. Ay, invite niyo po mga clients.
Mga clients po, pagkana po kayo dito sa Cebuana Panto.
Pangalan niyo, Madam?
Leia po.
Kayo, Madam?
Angie.
Okay, thank you. So, here it is, guys. 2,800. Not bad. On my way now to Santa Lucia. So, guys, always save money, okay? Never think twice. All have the chances and the time in the whole damn world. So, save money as always.